Today I'm going to show you how to use a tool like Google Keep to organize your homework, to simplify your life, to make sure you're on top of the work that you need to complete. You'll see in front of you here the system that I've set up, which is exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. At a glance, here's what a tool like this can do. It can help me see when I'm going to complete the things that are due, such as an upcoming assignment like my response paper, my math POW, Spanish VHL, science fair check-in, and also organize my missing work, my missing Spanish assignment here, my missing Spanish assignment there. It helps me take that long list from Jupyter and make sense of it. See when I'm actually going to do specific things. You'll note that I am specific in here. It's not math homework, Spanish homework, right? This system works really, really well when you're specific with which assignment you're going to do when. So I'm going to help you set this up so you can do this for yourself. So let's jump in and see how this is done. The first thing we want to do is to take a new note. We want to click right over here on New List where this checkbox is. Click there. Let's title this one Monday. We're going to set these out for the different days of the week. Go ahead and assign a color to it, whatever color you want Monday to be. They're going to be different colors. And then up here at the top, which is covered by my Grammarly, but for you should look like a little thumbtack, it's a pin. So click Pin Note and then close. What that does is it pins it to the top. So if I add any other notes, like groceries and buy dog food, those will go automatically down here. It's kind of like in your Google Docs where all your docs go down here, but your starred ones go at the top. This pins it to the top. Let's do another one for Tuesday, and maybe I forget to click the check, so I just start taking note, and I write Tuesday, and I'm going to pin it to top, and I'm going to add a color. I can see that Monday has a list item. Tuesday doesn't. So if I make that mistake, all I have to do is go to these three dots and go down to show checkboxes. I'll close that. I know it's annoying that Tuesday is now before Monday, so I can just drag those into the order that I want. What I want you to do is complete these, make checkboxes for the rest of the week, and make sure you make them different colors. So here are the notes that I made: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I did do Saturday and Sunday because sometimes you do have to put stuff on the weekends because you got behind, because you want to get ahead, something like that. So we should have all 7 days there, so make sure you do that. Also going to add another note called long-term projects. This allows me to look ahead for things I don't necessarily want to do this week, but that need to be on my radar. So I'm also going to pin that one close, and I'm going to put it at the end. So now I have my week set up. So when I go into Keep, I can see my whole week in front of me. Now I'm looking at my list of homework, and let's say I know that I have a math assignment due on Thursday. And I see that it was assigned on Tuesday, and I know that I have a big soccer game on Wednesday. So I want to do that math assignment on Tuesday, and I'm able to plug it in here. And I know that I have a history paper due Friday, so I want to do my last revisions on Thursday. And I want to finish writing that, even though I have my soccer game. I want to finish writing history paper on Wednesday. Right, so I'm able to break up my tasks, and I know what I'm doing when. I know that I have a science fair project due on December 1st, so I'm just going to add that to my long-term projects. And I also know that I have an independent reading project due on the 21st of November. This lets me see what I have coming up. It lets me know that, ooh, I do have that big soccer game on Wednesday. I don't think I'm going to have time to finish writing my history paper. You know what? I'm just going to have to do that Monday. I don't really have any homework on Monday right now, and so I'm going to move that here and take it off of Wednesday. What I can do, here's what's really cool, is I can click this, and it crosses it out, or I want to take it away from Wednesday entirely, so I just want to open the note by clicking on it. And if I put my cursor over the list item, I can delete it like that, and I can close back. We can also, if we go into our long-term projects, well, I put in my science fair project first, but this independent reading project is due before that. So I can come over here and arrow over it, and it gives me this 4-way cross, and I can push that there. And now I've got these in the right order that I want them to be in. Another cool thing that Tasks does is, let's say you're going to spend the weekend with your family out of town and you want to let them see what you have due, something like that, right? You can just type in mom, hopefully, I doubt this is your mom's email address, but I don't know your mom. So type in your mom's email address, you can save it, and it will share your list with them. You may or may not want to share that feature with your parents, but just as a heads up. Also, what's really cool are these reminders. I do encourage you to set a reminder for your long-term projects because it's there on the end and it's the stuff that's not yet on your radar. And so you can set a reminder. Let's say we want to set it next Monday. Today is November 5th, the day I'm making this video, and you want it to set actually every Monday. We're going to let it repeat weekly every Monday. Every Monday, this will remind us to check our long-term projects note, right? You can set some of these. I want this one to go off Tuesday during study hall or Thursday during study hall, right? Whenever you sit down to do your homework, that's when you can set these reminders. So that way you're prepared and you can see what you need to get done that day. Also remind yourself to go on and check Jupyter, whatever your homework management system is, so that you can fill these things in. When you finish something, you can tick it. Let's say you thought you finished writing your history paper, but you went and met with your teacher and she disagrees with that assessment. Then you can untick it and know that, you know what, now I have to add that to Tuesday because I didn't finish it on Monday, even though I thought I did. And then again, I can come back over here and get rid of this entirely. So a lot of products out there that do this kind of thing. Whatever system works for you, let that work for you. This is just something that's out there to help you out, something that's easily available to you. It's web-based, so you can use it on the fly. You can use it on your phone. It's just another thing. It's a system and idea to help you get organized, help you get on top of your work. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you anytime.